So y'all might as well come with me to go get these mid pipes done. I'm like, you know what? I might as well try to do like a mini vlog or something. So I'm about to go get these mid pipes done. And yeah, man, she's about to sound amazing. So y'all can come with me. Y'all can, you know what I'm saying? Yada, yada, yada anyway. We're going to do it before a cold start. This is before I get it done. That's before. We're going to do it before and after I get it done. But this is before. All right, y'all, I just pulled up. Just pulled up to the house. I gotta see this animal back here, though. It's a big dog right there. Almost forgot. Ain't getting nothing done unless I give him the money. There you go right there, the man of the hour. What's going on, KD? Got the money for you, man.
Thank you, sir.
How you doing?
Good, bro.
That's good, man. So KD about to help me with my mid pipes today, y'all.
They're right in there.
They're right in there. You want me to get them for you? I mean, I'm pretty sure those of y'all that don't know about this animal right here, this is a mean machine right here, man. Don't let just the regular cat hit the badge for you, man. We are activated. Oh, that's what you were trying to do. My bad.
Good.
We are activated, y'all. Look at that. So, quick question: is this going to sound just like inside your car? How loud is it inside your car?
It's not loud.
It's not loud.
Inside, no. But that's also because of the Corsa.
Corsa.
Corsa makes it a little more quiet.
A little bit more quieter. All right, so now the AWE shouldn't be that bad then. So how we starting this off? What we doing?
Jack the front end up, and I'll break all the bolts loose on that one.
Let's do it.
Pull the old ones out, and that's it. Slide the new ones in.
Let's do it.
It's easy.
Easy work. You heard him. It's easy.
You do the thermostat too, right?
Yeah, it's in my car. Yeah. Almost forgot about that though. It's crazy. You just reminded me. Yes, sir. Right here. Yeah. So the thermostat right here. What's it? Mishimoto.
Mishimoto.
Stay tuned. But I say I ain't gonna just record all of it, but stay tuned. Like the whole day I've been sitting here like debating on like how this is about to sound. Like I can't wait to just hear it. He got a lot of toys, man. He got a whole M3 right here. Vintage looking. Looks amazing. So whose Audi is that over there?
That's mine. Me and my buddy got hands on that one.
Oh, okay. Oh man.
Hands on it. Did all the maintenance and shit.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting on brake lines.
Brake lines. It's funny you said you and your friend did it. So me and Mark was thinking about getting it was an M5, the 2010 one with the V10.
Yeah.
We were thinking about doing that, but I was like, yeah, Mark, I don't know if I want to sign up for that. Because that would be insane maintenance-wise. I heard that's all you hear about it, just maintenance is horrible.
Yep.
But it probably is fun to drive, though.
Yeah, that car's got upgraded turbos, bigger injectors.
It's the Audi?
Yeah, and it's tuned on 93.
See, this man he got the toys, man. And I'm over here with a stock Skat. You meet new people, they start to hook you up with things you ain't know about. That's all it is. Living and learning. So hopefully one of these days I could wake her up just a little bit. Not too much.
This is gonna be funny for now.
Yeah.
Different tire on the back. That's not gonna work.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm about to say, I was thinking I was gonna get some DSW 6s. So I'm getting those either next week or the week after. Oh, fight night. All right, so this is either a sign or not. I don't know what this means. Oh, they chasing a hawk. Oh, that's what's going on. Oh. So look, this might be the fastest Hellcat on the East Coast. Now, what is it? You said 9.4?
9.4 so far.
I don't know, man. This ain't clean. They say, rumor has it, you take the spoiler off, you get 50 horsepower from just doing that.
It has to make some kind of difference.
So do you strictly like do it like, so say for example, do you ever have fun in it, like do burnouts, donuts, or you just strictly drag?
Hardly ever.
Hardly ever.
Race it. Roll race and drag race.
Yeah, that makes sense. I feel like you're out of that speed right now.
If I do a burnout or something, it's either because I'm at the track or
Yeah.
I do it by accident.
So I can't wait, man. One by one, slowly doing this thing.
It's not overdone. It's
Yeah,
not
bro. That's all I
flashy,
get too.
it's not anything crazy. It's just a clean looking car.
That's all it is, bro. They say less is more, man.
Yeah.
What killed me was that one video. He was coming at Mopar. He said the first thing that Mopars do is get a camouflage,
Yep.
put it around the car, and call it made. I don't know. I'm cool. I like the clean look, which is why I didn't do too much other than the gloss black roof. Even though I was telling Mark he should definitely like paint his supercharger a different color, have it stand out.
Yeah.
Cause that's dope too. All you gotta do is tell CK, yo, CK, let me just borrow your engine real quick, man. We got the same vehicles. I just need that engine. All right, so we got him out with the old and with the new. And goddamn, talk about old. Hey, whatever. Time for the new. Thanks to this man right here, man, the GOAT. All right, stay tuned. It's almost done, y'all. My bad, y'all. I was over here on live, but everything looking good. So 30 more minutes, everything will be set. And I tell you this, he moved fast. He is not playing when it comes to this. I just can't wait to hear it, y'all. That's my biggest. I just can't wait to hear it. I just can't wait to hear it, man. I think he almost done. He almost done with the mid pipes. Everything coming together, y'all. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey, man, he just finished. So that's it. Oh, man. That thing about to sound amazing. So now we moving on to the thermostat. Like I say, low key, I don't even know where the thermostat is. That's what I'm about to just watch, bro.
Right in here.
Oh, okay.
So right
okay.
underneath this hose.
Oh, okay.
So when I disconnect it, a bunch of coolant's gonna pour out. I'll put something under it to try and catch most of it.
Yeah.
And then swap it out, put the new one in, bolt it back up. That's it.
Let's do it. Now, is the catch can gonna be in the way? Like, you need to take that off?
Yeah, I'll probably take that off.
Nah, you can, because I low-key wanted it in a different spot. But, like, if you can't put it in a different spot, then fuck it. Because I don't know why they put it there. But I mean, don't work yourself. I'm about to say.
I know. Usually I could move it, but this bracket is specific to this spot.
Okay.
Normally, if it's like an L-shaped bracket, I can put it on a different bolt or something.
Oh, okay. No problem.
But
ain't no biggie, bro.
At least you got one. That's the important part.
Yeah.
Gotta have the.
That was like what, the third thing I did. I think the first thing I did was get an exhaust. For some reason, I did it backwards. You know, some people probably get the air intake first.
Yeah.
I got the exhaust first because that was the most expensive. And after the exhaust, air intake. After the air intake, the catch can. Then after that, it was like all the little dumb stuff. Like, not little dumb stuff, but like the little stuff. Okay, you should put some Forgiatos on your Hellcat. No, I'm messing with you. I'm just messing with you, man.
No way.
He said no way. Okay, good. Nah, you good, guy.
That's what I meant by mess. We'll rinse it off.
Nah, you good, bro. I'm not stressing it, man. You know what you're doing. You got it. Shit, look like it's about to rain. The rain probably help you.
It is fucking raining.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Y'all ready for this? Let's do it. God damn. Hey, yo, that's amazing, bro.